अलग कर।
ठीक है।
थैंक यू। Playing with numbers. Okay. Somewhat you already know about this things. Okay? Just like if I need to write a 2-digit number, just give me any example of a 2-digit number. 29 will be fine. 20 में 8 digit will be 0, no? So 29. So 29 is a 2-digit number. If I want to write it in terms of its place value means this place is called what place? Ones place or units place, right? And this place is called tens place. Tens place, yeah, units place, right? So this can be written in terms of its place value as what you can write? 2 into 10, that is tens place के साथ हमने उस digit को multiply कर दिया, plus 9 into 1, right? So this is called what? Number in its generalized form. Number in its generalized form. So if I want to make a general form of this, so what I can write? If I have a 2-digit number a b, then I can say this number is equal to a into 10 plus b into 1, which is b. Similarly, if I take 3-digit number, maybe 347. So this is hundreds place, tens place, units place. Correct? So this can be written as what? 3 into 100, 10 plus 4 into 10 plus 7. 7 into 1 is 7. Correct?
If they ask us for the expanded form of a number, what will we write? This or 300 plus 40 plus 7?
I would suggest पहले ये लिखो and then you will write which is equals to 300 plus 40 plus 7. But this is very important because this specifies कौन सा? This one? हाँ, this one is fine. लिखा लिखा तो भी चलेगा. ठीक है? Okay. Next now, if I want to form general form like this, hundreds के लिए तो क्या हो जाएगा? A B C is my number, so it will be A into 100 plus B into 10 plus C. Clear? No doubts till this? This I think you might have already known, right? tens digit, units digits, hundreds digits and all you are already knowing that. Now divisibility test. Divisibility test बहुत important है in for your future also. After 10th, after 12th भी आपको कभी भी competitive exams या ऐसे सब देते हैं आप entrance exam. So in that case, this divisibility test will help you to speed up your calculation. So divisibility test अभी जो पढ़ रहे हो lifelong याद रखो, ठीक है? So first test is divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. I think you all know this one. A number is divisible by 2. How can you determine whether a number is divisible by 2? Yeah. So basically, if it is a even number, how can you say that the number is an even number? The number at the units place will be even, right? The number at the units place will be even. So a number is divisible by 2. कब बोल सकते हैं हम लोग? A number is divisible by 2 when a number is divisible by 2 when its unit digit is even. Give example.
2, 4, 6.
Okay.
10 divided by 2.
ठीक है? 2, 4, 6, 8 इवन है वो आपको पता है. यहाँ पे 0 भी इंक्लूडेड हो जाएगा because 20 is also divided by 2, 10 is also divided by 2. So your units place should be even number or 0. Any even number, right? Even number or 0. हम लोग even number at the digit means we will be considering 2, 4, 6, 8. One digit चाहिए ना, so it will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. So units place will be units place should be equals to either 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. This is the condition for divisible by 2. Now second is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. When can you say that a number is divisible by 3? Any idea?
Ma'am, when we suppose there's a number like 8 plus 81 divided by 3. So we'll add up the numbers, that is 8 plus 1, which gives us 9, and 9 is divisible by 3 because it comes in the table of 3, and thus 81 is also divisible.
Correct. So what you are doing, you will be doing is add the digits of the number. Suppose we have number, give me one number, big number, जो divisible by 2. चलो 81 ही ले लो. 81 अभी जैसे इसने बताया, ठीक है? 81 is a 2-digit number. So what you will do? Add this 2 digit. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So if 9 is divisible by 3, then 81 is also divisible by 3. So test says a given number is divisible by 3. A given number is divisible by 3 if या फिर only when the sum of digits, sum of its digits is divisible by 3. ठीक है? Do you want any other example? Suppose I have 1048. What is the sum of the digits? 1048 का 13. So is it divisible by 3? 13 doesn't comes in the table of 3. So 1048 is not divisible by 3. But in place if I have 657, what is the sum of 657? 6 plus 5 plus 7. 6 plus 5 is plus
Yeah.
5, 6 plus 5 कितना? 6 plus 5 plus 7 is 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. So it will be sum of digit is sum of digits equals to 18. So 18 is divisible by 3 or not? 18 is divisible by 3. How many times? 3 के table में 18.
3 6
3 6 are 18. So definitely this number will go in 3. So now let's try whether it is going with 3 or not. So 3 6 57. 3 2s are 6. Now come 5. 3 1s are 3. 27. So 9. 2 was 9. Right? Minus 27 is, so it is completely divisible by 3. Clear? This is your second divisibility test.
219 is also divisible by 3.
219, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Yes. Now third one will be divisible by 5. ठीक है? Divisible by 5. Easy है ये. Units digit should be either 0
0
or 5. Right? A number is divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 when its units digit is
0
yes. Unit digit is 0 or 5. ये तो आपको पता था. Example दो.
10 15 20
10, 50, 20, 25, 30, 35, 100 B, 1000 B, right? 1055. These all numbers are divisible by 5. Now fourth one is divisible by 9.
7 6 4 6 7.
ये टेक्स्ट बुक में आते हैं. ठीक है, मैं पहले इसके सबसे पहले इस टेक्स्ट बुक के सबसे पहले रहेगा ये. उसका थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, इसके लिए पहले एक सीक्वेंस में जाते हैं. Divisible by 9. ठीक है. जैसे 3 का था, क्या है? Sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Here the sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Sum of digits should be divisible by 9. मैं डायरेक्टली अभी वही लिखूंगी. Sum of its digits by 9. If this condition is satisfied, we can say that the number is divisible by 9. Example, you have 468. 468. How much is the sum?
18
18. 18 is divisible by 9.
oh yes
So this should be divisible by 9. Let's try. Divide by 9. 9 5s are 45. 6 minus 5 1 and 8. 9 2s are 8. So it is completely divisible by 5. Okay. So that is why we are taking in this sequence, because we can relate it. जैसे अभी 3 के साथ मेरे को 9 वाला relate करें, इसलिए हम लोग ऐसे sequence पे जाते हैं. Any doubt till this? Okay, now next tell me about divisible by 10. ये भी easy है.
Now the same as
10.
5. It should be 0 at that.
It should be 0, not 5.
Yeah, only
ठीक है? It should be units digit should be 0. So divisible by 10, the units digit should be 0. Units digit should be 0. Okay, note down till this. I'll draw back and then continue. Note down करो. हाँ, नहीं आज मैं करा. हाँ, आज मैं करा. स्कूल में हो चुका है चैप्टर? स्कूल में हो चुका है?
Yeah, they have started with the revision.
What all chapters do you have for exam?
Rational numbers, primitive numbers, and exponents.